On 17 January 2017, the UK Prime Minister confirmed that the UK will leave the EU, seeking a bold and ambitious free trade agreement to enable the freest possible trade in goods with as frictionless a customs border as possible between Britain and the EU member states. Upon Brexit, the cost of customs declarations to effect movements across this new customs border, plus the cash flow impact of paying import VAT and potential cost of customs duty, can be expected to increase the supply chain costs for many businesses. Trade with the rest of the world will also be affected, as the UK is not expected to have access to EU preferential trade agreements. Although there will be a minimum of 2 years to implement changes following the triggering of Article 50, to ensure business continuity, it will be vital for businesses to understand and assess what changes are needed to their IT systems and supply chains, both now and to adapt these assessments as clarity emerges. The impact of Brexit on procurement, warehousing, distribution and sales may be significant and could also lead to additional authorization requirements for VAT and customs duty. To help our clients assess how Brexit may affect them, we have developed a hosted analysis tool which takes historic import, export and intrastat EU movement data and models the potential customs duty and trade compliance consequences on inbound, outbound and intra-EU movement of goods. The tool is configured in such a way to enable business users to understand and visualize the impact of Brexit, giving them the insight necessary to plan for the future. Because the tool is hosted by PwC, it will be updated as necessary to reflect any developments in the consequences of Brexit as and when they become apparent. Users will have an ongoing license to access the tool. They can revisit their data and review the impact of these developments in the run-up to the UK's departure from the EU. If you need to know how Brexit could affect your supply chains and you want the insight to enable you to prepare your business for the post-Brexit landscape, then please get in touch.